In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get into PenFed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a membership, open the required account, fund it, and find your member number. Begin by heading to the official PenFed website and opening the membership guide. This page lays out who can join and helps you start your application in the right place. Make sure you're on the real PenFed site before entering any information. Look for the secure lock icon in your browser. On the membership guide, choose Confirm Your Eligibility. You'll see the different ways people qualify. For our walkthrough, select the Military Affiliation option. This applies to active duty, retired, or honorably discharged members of the U.S. Armed Forces, including the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, National Guard, and Reserves. If that's you, great. Continue with this path. If your connection to PenFed is different, the guide will show the appropriate category, but the rest of the process looks very similar. Next, proceed to complete the membership application. You'll be asked for standard personal details so PenFed can verify your identity and set up your profile. Having your government-issued ID and your current address handy will make this quick. Take a moment to review your entries for accuracy. It helps avoid delays. When prompted to choose an account, select the Premium Online Savings account. This is the required share account that establishes your credit union membership, and you can open it online with just $5. Think of it as your gateway to everything else PenFed offers. Now fund your account. Choose the Fund Your Account option, then select Electronic Funds Transfer, or EFT. You'll move money from an existing bank to your new PenFed savings. To do that, use your PenFed account number along with the PenFed routing number. You'll find these details in your new account information on the confirmation screen or within your online banking dashboard. Enter the amount you want to transfer, at least the minimum, and confirm. Transfers can take a bit to clear, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once your account is open, you'll receive your member number. This is important because it identifies you across all PenFed services. If you need to locate it later, use this simple trick. Open your savings account details and look at the full account number. Your member number is that account number with the last 3 digits removed. Keep this number somewhere secure and never share it publicly. That's it. You've confirmed eligibility, completed the application, opened the savings account, funded it via EFT, and accessed your member number. You're now set to explore PenFed's products with your membership in place.